Hey everyone, I'm Henna, and in this video we're going to talk about how to use template variables in your message template. So basically template variables are a bit different from custom variables. If you haven't watched the previous video on custom variables, make sure to check it out. So custom variables are perfect when you want to personalize messages using permanent contact attributes like name, company, city, email, etc. These values don't change very often, but sometimes you need to send some temporary or dynamic information that keeps changing, like OTPs, which are one-time passwords, meeting links, order tracking links, and temporary promo codes. So that's exactly where template variables come in. They are temporary and don't get saved with the contact. So let me show you how the template variables works and how we can create one. As you can see on my screen that I have opened the bot manager section. So we'll just scroll down and go to message template. So as you can see over here on the right side, here are a few templates that I have created previously, which are approved already by Meta. So to create a template variable, we'll just scroll down, and as we scroll down, we can see a section of template variables where different template variables are pre-decided and created. So the ones that has this delete options, like these are the ones we created, and the below templates and the templates that are below these are pre-decided, like default templates, which we can't edit or delete. So if I click on create, we simply get this option of adding a name of the template, and then we can save it, template variable, and then we can save it. So I have already created one template to show you how the template variables works, and I'm going to add it in front of you, and then we're going to test it. So as you can see over here, I wrote hi and then the username and then the rest of the content. As you can see, I've selected this email variable. So basically this is the template variable which I created and then added to it. So basically what to do if you want to add one ourselves. So we'll just click on variables, go down on which we want. So we'll just click on variables, select the variable we want to insert, and then we'll just click. And then here is the email variable. So this is how we put variables in the content of templates. Similarly, the name variable which cannot be changed, which is pre-decided, we can just click it, and so here is a username variable. Here are different variables as well, like meeting link variable as well. I have also added a button of quick reply, which is watch demo button, as you can see on the right side of my screen. So we'll just save it, and I will sync the templates again, and then we'll just test it. So here I am on the shade inbox section of Greenbubble, and I'll click my contact. Then I will just click on this plus icon, and here I can see different options like templates. So I will click on it, and after that we have to select the template we want. So I'll just scroll down, and here is the template I wanted. And for this I need to enter the email, as I have entered the template variable of email, so we need to write the email. After that we added a button of watch demo. We need to select an option like what will happen if the customer clicks on watch demo. So I clicked on watch demo chatbot, like it will get triggered, a watch demo chatbot will get triggered. I wrote a random email like abc@gmail.com, and I sent the template variable. As you can see, like this template has been sent to this contact, and this is how it looks. I hope this video helped, and you can also sign into Greenbubble and start with a free trial. And to watch more such helpful tutorials, do subscribe to the channel and do check out the description of this video for more such helpful links. Thanks for watching.